in our day-to-day life. Those are the aspects we are learning today. So to speak English, we need a particular thing, right? So what is the particular thing we need? So what do we need if you want to speak? In our last class, right? So if you are talking about any sentence, are you all able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So if you talk about any sentence, there will be subject. And what is the another part? Another part of a sentence.
Predicate.
Right? Subject and predicate. These are the
Predicate.
two parts we should keep in mind. Okay. So first, try to understand what is meant by subject. Right? So what is subject?
Doer of an action. Doer of action.
Right? Doer of an action. So the person who is performing the action is known as subject. Okay? Right. So now, today we are going to talk about what kind of words we are going to use as the subject. Okay? What are the things we use in a sentence as the subject? That's what the topic we are talking about today. Okay? So for example, what is this?
Pramod.
Right? It's my name. Right? Right? Are you all able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Right? So I mentioned whatever the things I mentioned here, generally you will be able to identify all these things as the subject. Right?
Yes, sir.
Right? So these are all generally we find as a subject. Right? So now let me give you general things. Give me a second. I think he has been facing the same problem. Let me. Right? So now what we are going to talk about is, so what are the areas or what are the things we generally use as subject, right? So generally what kind of things we use as subjects? names, right? Simply we can say nouns, right? Anything else we use as a subject, right? So we people generally, whenever you are talking about the subject, we use these two things as the subject. Okay. So nouns and pronouns generally we consider as the subject of a sentence, because mostly these are the two things we can identify as the subjects. Okay. So about the nouns, we don't need to bother much, but we're supposed to focus much about the pronouns. Okay. What is this?
Pronouns.
What is that?
Pronouns.
It's not pra. Yesterday I said it's pronoun. Pronounce it. Pronoun.
Pronoun.
Yes. It is not pronoun, it's pro, right? So we have to pronounce it as a pronoun. Got it? Right. So today we are talking about pronouns. So how many pronouns are there? What kind of pronouns are there? That is what the concept we are going to learn. Okay. Now let me draw a small table. Right. Right. So now okay. If you have brought any notebooks, try to write it down.
Yes, sir.
So you can draw this a little bit chart kind of thing. Right? Okay. Right. Have all brought your notebooks?
Yes, sir.
Right. So you can draw this. So here, person, here, number, right? These are the two headings. On the top of the table, you can mention pronouns like this. So pronouns, person, number, singular and plural, right?
Yes, sir.
So first person, second person, and third person, right? These are the three persons we can be able to identify in English language. Okay, so first person, second person, and then third person, singular, then plural. So what is the first person singular? I. Plural, we. Right? Second person singular, you. Right? Second person plural is also you. Third person singular, he, she, it. Okay. So the third person plural, they. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this is the table you're supposed to keep in mind always.
Okay, sir.
Now what we are going to do is, we are going to frame some sentences by using all these pronouns, right? So first, give me one example with I. First, I'll give you one example with all the things. One example I'll give you all, right? Then after, you can tell me one more example. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any one of you read?
I am Pramod Kumar.
Right. I am Pramod Kumar. So here, what is the subject? I is the subject, right?
Subject.
So if you observe the table, what is the person? Is it the first person or second person or third person?
First person.
First person, singular, right? So if you are talking about yourself, about you, that is first person. Okay. If you are talking about yourself, that will be the first person. Okay, first person, second person, first person, second person, third person. If you are talking about anyone, right? So for me, I'm the first person, right? Second person, you are the second person. Third person means the people who are beside us, next to us. Okay, right. So let me give you one more example for first person plural. We are
Listening the class.
listening to the class. Very good. We are listening to the class. Right. So now second person. So first person singular aha given, plural aha given. Now second person. Mr. So here you can mention your name. Okay. You can mention your name here. Right? You are Mr. Okay. Anyone of read that?
You are a student. You are a student.
You are a student.
You are a student. Right? So you are a student. Next. Next, anyone of you read that?
My friend.
He is my friend.
Right? He is my friend. Next. Next.
She is my classmate.
Very good. She is my classmate. Right?
It is my book.
Right? Or this is my book.
This is my book.
Right? Now, they are my friends.
They are my friends.
Right? They are my friends. So, here I have given one example for first person singular, one example for first person plural, one example for second person singular, one more example for second person plural, like that. Third person singulars, 3 example, and then third person plural, 1 example. Okay. Yes or no? Right? So now I'm going to ask you some examples. You have to fill the blanks. Right? I'll give you
Okay, sure.
some examples you have to fill. Dash is my pen.
It is my pen. It is my pen.
Right? It is
My pen.
My pen.
it is my pen. Or you can say this is my pen.
This.
Right? So both are correct. It is my pen or this is my pen. Both are correct. Okay. For example, you are in the house. Right? If your father or mother asked you about your notebook, who's this book? How you have to answer them?
It's mine.
My book.
Is My book.
My
Right? This is my book.
book.
Very good. All right, now, so I'm going to ask you one more question.
Okay, sir.
Fill the blank. Fill the blank, fill the blanks.
My name is Manish Chaudhary. I am a student.
Right. So one by one, one by one. So everyone should answer.
My name is P. Rishikesh Sai.
Very good.
I am a student. My name is Danyata. I am a student.
Right.
My name is Kushant. I am a student.
Very good, very good. So everyone should give the answer, right? Fine. So fill the blank.
Ravi is my classmate.
Ravi is my classmate.
Classmate.
Right.
He is a first ranker.
Right. So everyone, one by one, try the answer.
He is a first ranker.
Right. He is the first ranker. So Ravi is my classmate. He is a first ranker.
First ranker.
Right.
The father spelling you wrote wrong, sir.
Right. My father is dash.
Is an.
Is a or an. Right. Based on the condition, we can answer. Dash. So fill it one by one.
My father is a businessman.
Right. My father is a businessman. Very good. Next person. Next, give me the answer.
My father is a bank manager.
Right. Next.
My father is a account manager.
Very good. Next.
My father is a hotel manager.
Very good. Next. Oh, finally we got Gnanesh. Gnanesh. Gnanesh, what happened? Where were you till now?
I am.
So you have been trying to connect. Very good. Very good. Right. So Gnanesh, try to complete these blanks. So I have written some blanks on the screen, right? So
Yes,
try to answer this. My father is dash, a or an dash. My father dash, a or an dash.
Yeah. Last call.
Right. Fine. Let me give you one more example.
The This is my house.
This is my house.
This
This
is
is my house.
This is my house.
very good. So, for example, if you are talking about your house, do you need to mention it as a house or home? Which is correct?
House. Home. House. House.
How many of you support that house is correct? Just raise your hands. I can see. House is correct. Danyata, one. So Gnanesh, 2 members said house. Right? Fine. So generally we people unknowingly we are using this is my house. Right? But this is not my house. This is my home. Right? This is my home. Right? That is his house. Okay. This is my home. That is his house. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if you are talking about your house, you have to mention this is my home. If you are talking about anyone else's house, then you can say this is my friend's house. That is my friend's house. This is my house. No, this is my home.
Home.
Okay? Not the house, home. Right. Now, complete this.
She is my friend.
Next.
He is my friend.
Okay, next.
He is my friend.
Very good. So here we can mention he or she.
She.
Both are correct. If you are talking about your friend, then you can mention either he or she.
Yes.
Right? If you are talking about the boy, you can mention he. If you are talking about the girl, you can mention she.
She.
Right?
They are my parents.
Very good. They are my parents. They are my parents. Right?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. So now, have all understood what is first person singular, what is first person plural, second person singular and plural, third person singulars and plural? Is it understood you all? Any
Yes,
doubts
sir.
regarding this topic?
No, sir.
So it's clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So now I'm going to give you some list of vocabulary, right? How to pronounce them and what is the correct pronunciation and all. That's what we are going to look at now.
Okay, sir.
Are you all able to see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
So any one of you read what you are able to see there?
PDF, sir.
English language vocabulary. PDF.
PDF
Basic.
only?
Basic of English language vocabulary building.
Very good. Basics of English language vocabulary building PDF Acrobat Reader. That is not I'm asking. I'm asking about the heading. What is this book?
PDF.
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 Okay. So this is the book about basics
PDF.
of
PDF.
Basics of
English language vocabulary building.
right, basics of English language.
vocabulary building.
So don't look at here. Okay. So try to look at here. Are you able to see the red color one here?
Yes, sir.
What is this? What is this?
Yes, sir.
What is that? Read.
Basics of English language.
Right. So every day what I'm going to do is I'll give you some basics of English language. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. So every day I'm going to give you some basics of English language. You're supposed to understand that. Right. So every day what you need to do is you have to bring one notebook and a pen every day. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now come to the topic. So what we are going to learn here, that is what I'm going to show you. So today onwards we are going to learn vocabulary building, and every day there will be a new topic with vocabulary building and any other topic. Okay. Right. So first, vocabulary building. What is this? Any one of you read it?
Online training.
Online training.
Online training. What is this?
Online training.
Now, are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the heading here?
Vocabulary building for
Beginners.
beginners.
For beginners.
Right. Vocabulary building for beginners. Right. So if you observe, here there is a spelling, and this side there is a different English. Do you know what is this?
No, sir.
Sorry?
No, sir.
Right. So this is what called sounds or phonetics. Right. So based on this, we can easily understand how to pronounce a word correctly. Right. So now, what is the first word here?
About.
About.
About. How to pronounce it?
About.
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 About. Right.
About.
Write down and then pronounce after me. Second one.
Absolute.
Absolute.
Not a, it's a. Absolute.
Absolute.
Absolute. Not lute. Absolute.
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 Observe my mouth. Just focus on my mouth. Absolute. Absolute.
Absolute. Absolute. Absolute.
All of you open your mouth. Absolute.
Absolute.
Absolute. Very good. Fine. Next. Next. Third one.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely.
Very good.
Absolute.
Absolutely. 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 Right. So Next, fourth one.
Academic.
Academic.
No. Academic.
Academic.
Academic. Academic. Very good.
Academic.
Very good. Very good. Right. Next.
Accommodation.
What's that?
Accommodation.
Accommodation.
Right. It is accommodation. 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 Right.
According.
Accommodation. Day. Accommodation. Right.
Accommodation.
Fine. Right. Very good. Next.
According.
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 Not ka. According.
According.
According. Very good.
According.
Very good. According. Next.
Cross.
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 Across.
Cross.
Very good. Very good. Next.
Actually.
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 Actually. Right. Very good. Next.
Administration.
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 Administration. Right. Administration. Administration. Very good. Administration.
Administration.
Administration. Very good. Very good. Next. Adverse.
Adverse.
Adverse. Not a. Adverse. Very good. Next.
Adversely.
Adversely. Very good. Adversely. Right. Next.
Advertise.
Advertise. Advertise. Advertise. Advertise. Advertise. Very good. Advertise. Very good. Next.
Advertisement.
Advertisement. Advertisement. Very good. Next.
Aeroplane.
It's not aeroplane. It's airplane. Airplane. Wait. Plane. Aeroplane. Very good. Aeroplane. Very good. Next. Afraid. Observe my. Wait. Observe my mouth. Right. So how I'm using my lips and tongue. Focus on that. Afraid. Afraid. Afraid.
Afraid.
Afraid.
Afraid.
Afraid. Afraid.
Afraid.
I'm not able to hear the sound. F, f,
Afraid.
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 Very good. Right. Next.
Agent.
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 Agent. Age. Agent.
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 A. Agent.
Agent.
Agent. Agent.
Agent.
Agent.
Agent.
Very good.
Agent.
Very good.
Agency.
Very good.
Agency.
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 A. Agency.
Agreement.
Agent.
Agents.
Observe my mouth. How I'm opening my mouth. Agency.
Agency.
A. Agency.
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 Very good. Next. Agreement.
Agreement.
Not
Agreement.
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 Very good. It's not agreement. It's agreement.
Agreement.
Month.
Agreement.
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 Agreement. Agreement. Month.
Agreement.
Very good. Agreement. Very good. Very good. Next.
Almost.
It's not all. It's almost.
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 Not all. It's almost.
Almost.
Very good.
Almost.
Almost. Oh.
Almost.
Oh.
Almost.
Oh.
Almost.
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 Very good. Very good. Next.
Also.
Also.
Very good. Very good.
Also.
Very good. Right. Next.
Also.
Although.
True.
Although. Although. Very good. Although. Very good. Although. Next. Very good. Next. Among. Not among. It's not among. It's among. Very good. Among. Very good. Very good. Very good. Among. Right? Generally, we pronounce it as among. Right? But it's not among. It's among. Okay? Very good. Are you all writing? Right? If you don't write, what happens is you can be able to remember. Again, you will pronounce as advertisement, aeroplane, afraid, not like that. How to write down. If you write, if you forget, again you can take the notebook and you can check whether you have written or not. If you have written, you can remember that again. Okay. So every day you have to write. Understood? So these are the information you can get in your regular school, because they need to teach you your syllabus. Say yes or no? They always focus on their syllabus. They don't have much time, enough time to talk about all these things. Right? So luckily we have the opportunity to talk about all those things. So whatever I'm giving you, try to write down. If you want to write down even in Telugu also. Okay. So write down in English. If you want, then you can write down in Telugu also.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Very good. Next. What's the next word?
Anticipate.
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 Anticipate. Pate.
Anticipate.
Anticipate.
Very good.
Anticipate.
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 Very good. So
Anticipate.
I'm going to give you one homework for tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
So what is the homework? So whatever the words I'm giving you nearly 20 words or 30 words, right?
Yes, sir.
You are going to write the examples and the meaning.
Okay, sir.
So tomorrow you have to give me the meaning of the word and one example. That will be your homework.
Okay, sir.
Okay? So I'm going to give you the word and the pronunciation. You have to tell me what is the meaning of that word.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Fine.
Okay, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Anybody.
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 Right. Very good.
Anybody.
Anybody. Simple. Right. Next.
Anyone.
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 Any.
One.
One.
Wa. 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 Anyone. Wa. Anyone.
Anyone.
Wa. 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 Observe my lips. Wa. 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 Right? So, anyone. 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 Wa.
Anyone.
Right? Anyone. Very good. Next.
Anything.
Very good. Anything. Anything.
Anything.
Anything.
Very good. Anything.
Anywhere.
Anywhere.
Anywhere. Not arra. Anywhere. It's not anywhere. It's
Anyone.
anywhere.
Anyone.
Anywhere. Anywhere.
Anywhere.
Anywhere. Where
Anywhere.
Yes. Are silent. At the end are silent. Right? Anywhere. Where. Where. Where.
Anywhere. Where?
Anywhere.
Where?
Yes. Very good. Anywhere.
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 Where.
Anywhere.
Where. Very good.
Where?
Anywhere. Anywhere.
Anywhere. Anywhere.
Way out. Way out. Way out. Way out. Way out. Way out. Right. Next, last word for today. What is this?
Application.
Not application.
Application.
Very good. It is
Application.
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 Application. Application.
Application.
Very good. So how many words I have given so far? Count the number of words I have given. Sorry, how many?
Near to 30, sir.
Near to 30. There should be a particular number, right? 27 or 28 or 29 or 30. How many words are there? 26.
26, sir.
Right. So,
Sir.
okay, 26 or 28 or 29. So more than 25. Okay. So what you have to do is tomorrow, once we all meet in the class, First, I'm going to ask you any of the word. I'll ask only 3 words for one person. How many words I'm going to ask?
Okay, sir.
3 words.
Only 3 words.
3 words.
So I'm not going to tell you what are the 3 words, but I'll ask any 3 words. You have to learn all the 25 words. Okay? Learn all the 25 words
Okay, sir.
and meaning. Meaning is must. Right? So do
Yes, sir.
you all have the dictionaries with you?
Sir.
If you
No, sir.
don't have the
No, sir.
dictionary, I'll tell you on WhatsApp. A dictionary, mobile dictionary. You can download that dictionary, right? You can use the dictionary in the mobile phone also. You don't need to buy any new dictionaries. You can use the mobile dictionary also. Okay. I'll share in the group, WhatsApp group, about the dictionary. You can download the dictionary and you can use it. Okay. So today, what are the things we learned so far? What are the things we learned today?
About the pronouns,
Persons, singulars, plurals,
singular, plural, and basically English.
Right. I'll ask one by one. One by one.
Okay.
Right. So first, Jnanesh. You came late, right?
Yes, sir.
So try to listen to your friends. What are the things we discussed today, right? And one more thing, guys. So whatever the class we are attending every day, I'm recording that class and I'm going to upload the video in the YouTube. Okay. I'll share the YouTube link. If you have any doubts, you can click on that link. You can watch the video again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to upload the same video in the YouTube. You can use the video for n number of times. If you get any doubt, you can go through that video. Still, if you are not able to understand, you can talk to me. I'll help you. Okay?
Okay.
Right? So I'll ask one by one, what are the things we discussed today? Danyata, what is the first topic we discussed?
About pronouns, sir.
Very good. About pronoun. This guy, I forgot his name. Red Cherry Skulabai. What's your name?
Rishikesh, sir.
Rishikesh. Very good. So I'm bad at remembering the names. I'll remember your name. So Rishikesh. So how many types of persons are there?
3 types.
Very good. What are the 3?
First person, second person, third person.
Very good. Hanish.
Sir.
So what is the singular and plural of first person?
Sir, I and we, sir.
Very good. I and we. Next, Kushant.
sir.
So what is the singular and plural for third person?
He or she or it and whoever means they, sir.
He, she, it. These are singulars. They is the plural. Simple. Right? Now, Jnanesh. So, what is the second person, singular and plural? Jnanesh. First, second person, singular and plural. You. Only you. Right? Only you. Okay. So, Jnanesh, what you can do is, I'm going to upload the video in the YouTube. Try to watch the video in the YouTube. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye,
Sir,
sir.
you're keeping links, sir.
Sorry?
Link in WhatsApp, sir.
Yeah, I'll share in the WhatsApp.